Oh my god, I'm dying. Hello, what's up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're coming back, welcome back. Sorry, there's a bug. So today, basically, I wanted to kind of see what my little money pieces would look like if they were red. I don't want to permanently commit to red just yet. I'm still working on trying to get it that white blonde. So we're gonna try some temporary hair color spray. And I thought I'd film it and bring you along and see how it goes. Yeah, how do I open this? What the fudge? Ugh. I also don't know if you can hear it, but I'm like pretty sick still. So I'm like a little stuffed up, so if I sound like an idiot at some point, that's why. Let's read the instructions here. Apply to dry, styled hair, do not apply to wet. Or chemically damaged hair. Whoop! Is it gonna dye my hair? It's fine, it's temporary hair color, it's fine. It's fine, we're gonna be okay, it'll be okay. Let's just get into it. So I really noticed that like in my 20s, I've been a lot more loud, I guess is the best way I put it, about my style. I think I used to dress a lot more beige is the best way I'd put it, but that's fine. Do we wanna like zoom in a little bit, maybe? Come on. Okay. Let's see. I'm a little worried, I'm gonna be honest. Maybe I'll just do, I'm a little bit stressed, yeah. I guess I can do the other bit too. Oh God, I think just this piece. So I've been like a lot more expressive, and I think that's definitely because I moved away from my home city, because like love that place to death, but it's very like rinse and repeat for styles, and there's just like a lot of judgy people there too. So trying to like have like expression and individuality is like almost frowned upon, which like it is in a lot of places, and like, but it just has like a lot of small town vibes. But I moved to Miami and started dressing how I wanted to, and then I moved to LA, and now we're here attempting to do this. I'm kind of stressing. Oh God, what if it doesn't come out of my hair? It's fine. Oh my God, is it gonna stain? Do I really want to be doing this? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. If you can't have fun with it, it's fine. It'll come out. I'm a little worried right now. I don't know if like you guys have felt that way, and if you have, like, comment down below, let me know like if you always felt like you couldn't really have your own expression until you were older. Even with parents, I noticed too, sometimes that was a big thing. Not my mom though. She's a character, you know? She was like a punk rock. She had like a mullet at some point in the 80s, and then she also was just really encouraging. She was one that was like, yeah, wear that skirt over jeans with that necktie, like look like that Avril Lavigne look, when I was like 12. So I think it was just like the people that I had around me and like at work and everything else. It was just like a lot of people had a lot to say, and you know, when you're younger, you're concerned about, you know, what people think of you and all that. Oh my God. We're just going for it, okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. I don't know how to do this without getting it everywhere. Oh no, I got it on my forehead. Maybe I just like, oh God. Oh, getting it everywhere. Oh, I can like half it. Ah, can I like brush it through? Ooh. Okay, I just have to get like this piece too. Made like all over my floors too, fudge. I don't know how to like, ah! Oh my God, right in my eye. God, bitch. Yeah, I don't know, what other like fun facts? I've done a lot with my hair. If you go, I mean now I wear wigs, but even like before I was wearing wigs, I would do a lot of, my hair is blonde for a very long time actually. Oh my God, I have it all over my face. Okay, it's fine. That doesn't look terrible, like, Okay. Good. Oh my God, I'm like covered right now. Holy sheesh. This is fine. Hot, back up, back up, back up, go away. My dog is like trying to get in it. Boy, you're gonna get some chemicals there, babe. This is really hard to control also. Oh no. Like fix this. Oh, I'm like missing pieces. Fudge. No, make sure you're on the, oh, he's such a disaster. No, on the blanket, on blanket. Okay, you're good. You're good, down. You're fine. Lay down. Okay, good job. My dog likes to push buttons. I'm gonna have to shower. Oh, I mean, I could brush this out. Okay, I don't hate that. I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'll be right back. And my face, maybe. It's currently staining my hands a little bit, so I'm a little worried. When I was like junior high, I dressed pretty scene. I had like my whole like, you know, scene hair that was like a million layers long. That didn't look good on anyone except for people who had hair extensions and long hair. Someone is texting me. Why am I so out of breath? There's so much effort. Okay. Like, I'm happy that now these styles are a lot more accepted and chill for people to like look that way. But I'm like, oh no. But I'm like kind of bitter. I remember being in like junior high and being made fun of by like these boys in my school for wearing something where I think I had a crush on this guy and I think he liked me back until I wore my skirt over my jeans and, you know, that whole thing. But it's okay, because I dress like how I want to now. And shout out to the boys in junior high who follow me. Thanks. Ow, ow. Oh, tastes awful. This could be the move, honestly. Obviously it's she a little patchy. Oh, she a little bit patchy. But this is like a vibe, yo. Oh, I got it on my shirt too. I kind of with it. I really hope this doesn't stain my hair, because otherwise my hairstylist is gonna lose it. But if you have any stories from junior high that you know, have from like dressing alternatively or trying a new trend or something, let me know, because I always want to hear about those. I'm always excited to kind of figure out what's going on. I look kind of crazy right now with the red on my face, but I wonder if I can just leave this in. I think if I sweat, it's all gonna come out, and I think I have figure skating tomorrow morning, so I really can't. But yeah, so this is what she looks like. I kind of f with it. Okay. Maybe this will be the next vlog, is me going and getting red in my hair. We'll see. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching me do this semi-successfully. Wow, I'm like impressed. As always, like, comment, subscribe, whatever it is. I don't know. Put that on notifications. I don't know how it works anymore. Yeah, if you like this video, let me know. And tell me your stories in the chat. And yeah. Okay, thank you, bye. I need to find a new send off. If you have any suggestions for a sign off, please let me know, because me going, okay, bye, it makes, ugh, I cringe. I cringe on myself, but it's all I got, so Lexx out. Maybe I'll do that next time.